Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. In today's video, we are reviewing the TRAPSTAR headband. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Wow, nice, dude. Zip it, Stanley.
So yeah guys, here we go, here's the parcel. I'm showing it from the back because I don't want you guys to see my address. So obviously here's the receipt. Don't want my details to show. And yeah. Here is the headband. This is what it looks like. Feel me, a dig, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it on. Actually, listen, I just feel like it will look better with this in here. But yeah, let's put it on. To be honest, it feels a bit small, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, to be honest, it's a bit tight, you know what I'm saying? But let me try to put it on. Yeah. Okay. It feels a bit tight, but with time, I feel like it's gonna loosen up. But that's a smart thing to do, especially when you don't know, because it's one size. When you don't know what people head sizes. So yeah, literally. So this is what it looks like. It's quite thick, you know what I'm saying? Just the way we like it, you know what I'm saying? Thick, you know what I'm saying? I like them thick, you know what I'm saying? No, but this the raw joint. This joint hard. This is hard. No couple. This is gonna be my new headband for my new Naruto headband, bro. You get me? You get me? You get me? Alright, mates. Let me go on my bed a bit. You don't know what to do. Another toe. So yeah, this is what it looks like. What do you think of this headband? Make sure you let me know in the comment section. That was a quick review. It's just a headband. It doesn't have many features. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. It was your boy Tanam School, and I'm out.